If you click this video, chances are math is stressing you out right now. Maybe it's college algebra, calculus, or statistics. Maybe it's overdue assignments, nonstop Canvas notifications, or problem sets that just keep piling up. Your GPA might be taking a hit, or you're juggling work, family, and life with barely any time left to breathe, let alone do math. Some of you might even have a test or quiz due today and can't afford another low grade. If that's you, don't click away. This could be the video that saves your semester. My name is Dave, and I know exactly how this feels. I used to fail college math. Hard. But I figured out how the system actually works, turned everything around, and now I run one of the top college math Discord communities in the country. I've helped over 1,000 students go from failing to pulling A's in record time. For the last 3 years, my team and I have mastered every major college math platform out there. Canvas, Pearson, MyLab, MyStatLab, Cengage, Alex, and more. No matter what system your school uses, we've already beaten it. This channel exists for one reason: to help college students ace math fast, without stress. Every video is packed with real strategies, step-by-step walkthroughs, and shortcuts that make your math work way easier than you thought possible. And don't just take my word for it. Inside our Discord, you'll see real proof. Hundreds of success stories from students who went from failing exams to dominating their math classes in just weeks. When you work with me and my team, we handle your homework, quizzes, and exams with precision, and we back it with 3 solid guarantees: a grade guarantee, nothing below 90%, a deadline guarantee, we never miss, and a confidentiality guarantee. Everything stays 100% private. So if you're done stressing over math and ready to start getting results, join the Discord using the link below or contact me through the description. Let's get your math handled, starting today.